Good morning, everybody. Today we have discussed important topic, that is family planning. Nowadays we have seen that population is increases day by day. So a lot of problem created in human beings. One person have many children and he suffered many crises. If population growth is increases, then all types of circumstances created, like fooding, shelter, and other things. So increase in population is an alarming challenge for the world today. It has become a major concern worldwide. Therefore, it is very important to control the size of families in order to reduce the size of population. This can be done by practicing family planning measures. Family planning is the practices of controlling the size of family by creating awareness among people about the consequence of rise in population and adopting various birth control methods. Birth control can be done by avoiding unwanted pregnancy in females. It can be achieved through the use of contraceptive methods and devices that are available. Means that फैमिली प्लानिंग एक प्लानिंग है जिसमें हम पर्सन को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जो होता है ऑफस्प्रिंग प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए मना करते हैं, जिसमें बहुत सारे ऐसे बर्थ कंट्रोल मेथड्स होते हैं जिसको यूज करके हम फैमिली के साइज को रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं, जिसमें आता है आपका कंट्रासेप्टिव मेथड्स या कंट्रासेप्टिव डिवाइस. द मेथड ऑफ प्रिवेंशन ऑफ अनवांटेड प्रेगनेंसीज एंड गिविंग गैप्स बिटवीन बर्थ्स ऑफ चिल्ड्रेन ड्यूरिंग वंस रिप्रोडक्टिव लाइफ इज कॉल्ड कंट्रासेप्टिव या कंट्रासेप्शन. मतलब क्या हुआ है कि कंट्रासेप्टिव एक डिवाइस है जिसमें हम प्रेगनेंसी को या बर्थ ऑफ चिल्ड्रेन के बीच में गैप रखते हैं. जैसे किसी पर्सन को एक बच्चा है और वो दूसरा बच्चा का कोशिश कर रहा है, तो उसके बीच में जो ड्यूरेशन होता है वो 3 साल का या 4 साल का वो रख सकता है. तो उस बीच के ड्यूरेशन को भरने के लिए, जिसको अनवांटेड प्रेगनेंसी बोलते हैं, उसके लिए कंट्रासेप्टिव मेथड्स होते हैं, जिसमें पहला मेथड आता है बैरियर मेथड्स. दीज मेथड्स इन्वॉल्व द यूज ऑफ फिजिकल डिवाइसेस दैट प्रिवेंट स्पर्म्स फ्रॉम मीटिंग द एग सच एज कंडोम, डायाफ्राम एंड सर्वाइकल कैप. बैरियर मेथड एक ऐसा मेथड है जिसको हम फिजिकल डिवाइस का जो बोलते हैं, जिसको फिजिकल के फार्म में यूज करके हम जो होता है एग को स्पर्म से मेटिंग नहीं होने देते हैं. जहाँ एग्जाम्पल के लिए बात करें तो बैरियर में आपका कंडोम आ जाता है, डायाफ्राम आता है और सर्वाइकल कैप आ जाता है. नाउ वी डिस्कस अनदर मेथड. सी condom. It is made of latex, a very thin rubber sheet in the form of a tube which is worn on the penis in males. It prevents the sperm from being ejaculated in the vagina. Diaphragm. It is in the form of cap having a coil spring made of latex. It is fitted deep inside the vagina of a female. It prevents the entry of sperm into the uterus of the female. Cervical cap. It is in the form of rubber nipple fitted over the cervix of a female. It also prevents the entry of sperm into the uterus of the female. Second method is the hormonal method. These methods work by changing the hormonal balance of the body so that the eggs are not released from the ovary in a female and fertilization cannot occur. Various kinds of pills containing hormones have been prepared which prevent the release of eggs from the ovary. These pills do not interfere with the menstrual cycle. However, since they change the hormonal balance, they may cause some side effects. मतलब क्या होता है, बहुत सारे जो होते हैं हार्मोनल कंट्रासेप्टिव पिल्स आते हैं जिसको फीमेल यूज कर लेती है. ये पिल करता क्या है, स्पर्म को ओवम से फ्यूज होने नहीं देता है. यूज ऑफ इंट्रायूटेराइन कंट्रासेप्टिव डिवाइस जिसको बोलते हैं IUCD और IUD. These devices are made of plastic or some metal or a combination of both. The most common used devices are lips loop and copper T. These devices are placed inside the uterine cavity of a female. The presence of these devices prevents the implantation of an embryo in the uterus. As a result, no pregnancy can take place. They can also cause side effects due to irritation caused due to uterus. IUCD एक मेथड होता है जिसमें हम कापर टी का मतलब होता है कापर का बना हुआ टी शेप एक स्ट्रक्चर होता है जिसको फीमेल के यूटेराइन कैविटी में हम ला करके इंजेक्ट कर देते हैं, लगा देते हैं. ये क्या करता है, यूट्रस के वाल से एम्ब्रियो को अटैच नहीं होने देता. मतलब क्या, प्रेगनेंसी नहीं होने देगा, जिसके वजह से जो होता है आप प्रेगनेंसी से, फीमेल प्रेगनेंसी से अवॉइड हो जाती है. नेक्स्ट मेथड क्या होता है, नेचुरल मेथड. दिस मेथड प्रिवेंट प्रेगनेंसी विदाउट इन्वॉल्विंग द यूज ऑफ एनी कंट्रासेप्टिव डिवाइस और मेडिसिन. ओव्यूलेशन occur between 12 to 14 days before the menstrual cycle start. So avoiding this period can prevent pregnancy. Next method is surgical method. Surgical methods are usually safe and permanent. This can be performed on both male and female. Vasectomy, removal of vas deferens, is called vasectomy. How it can possible? A piece of vas deferens in male is cut and removed. The cut end of vas deferens are then tied. This process is called vasectomy, and this process prevents the transfer of sperm. Next method is tubectomy. In this method, a small portion of the fallopian tube of female is removed and cut end and tied with nylon thread. This prevents the transfer of egg to the uterus. Surgical methods should be performed under supervision of expert doctors to prevent infection. Now, next thing is abortion. The surgery conducted to terminate unwanted pregnancy is called abortion or medical termination of pregnancy. सर्जिकल एबॉर्शन होता क्या है, या MTP क्या होते हैं कि कोई अनवांटेड प्रेगनेंसी अगर हो जाती है तो वो अनवांटेड प्रेगनेंसी को, या कोई एबनॉर्मेलिटी आ जाती है एट डेवलपिंग फीमेल एम्ब्रियो, तो हम उसको टर्मिनेट करवा देते हैं, जिसको बोलते हैं MTP. MTP इज नाउ लीगल. MTP आपका क्या होता है, लीगल होता है. ठीक है. देयर आर केसेस वेयर पीपल आर मिसयूजिंग दिस मेथड टू अबॉर्ट सेक्स सेलेक्टिव फीमेल fetus. For a healthy society, the female-male sex ratio must be maintained. Because of reckless female feticide due to prenatal sex determination. Female male child sex ratio is decline at an alarming rate in some section of our society. Ultrasound is used in most part of the world for prenatal sex determination. However, it was prohibited by law in India 1994 to prevent sex selective termination of pregnancies. Now let's discuss STDs, sexual transmitted disease. The infectious disease of reproductive system that is spread from an infected person to a healthy person are called sexually transmitted disease, as are venereal disease. These mainly include bacterial and viral infection. The STDs caused by bacteria include gonorrhea and syphilis, and those caused by virus are genital warts, HIV, AIDS. Some common symptoms of STDs are STDs आपका सेक्सुअली ट्रांसमिटेड डिजीज होता है, लाइक दैट गोनोरिया, सिफिलिस, ठीक है, और कुछ वायरल डिजीज होते हैं जैसे HIV हो गया, एड्स हो गया, इसको हम सबको बोल देते हैं कॉमन STDs डिजीज. इसमें होता क्या है, बर्निंग सेंसेशन एट द टाइम ऑफ यूरिनेशन. इसमें होता क्या है, यूरिनेशन के टाइम में जो होता है बर्निंग होता है, यूरेथ्रल डिस्चार्ज होता है, सोर इन द जेनाइटल, बहुत सारे जो होता है जेनाइटल एरियाज में जो होते हैं सोर्स हो जाते हैं, जिसको बोलते हैं घाव बन जाते हैं. STDs कैन बी प्रिवेंटेड बाय यूजिंग कंडोम्स ड्यूरिंग सेक्सुअल इंटरकोर्स. सम कॉमन सेक्सुअल ट्रांसमिटेड डिजीज आर डिस्क्राइब बिलो. Syphilis, it is bacterial disease caused by Treponema pallidum, which is transmitted through sexual contact. It gets transferred from mother to baby. Burning sensation during urination and urethral discharge are its general symptoms. In the first stage, the bacteria travel through blood circulation to different parts of the body and multiply there. In second stage, different kinds of non-itchy rashes appear. During the third stage, the vital organs like heart, liver, brain and eyes get affected. Penicillin provides an effective treatment for syphilis. Now, gonorrhea. The disease is caused by bacteria Neisseria gonorrhea, which is transmitted through sexual contact. It causes inflammation of the urethra in males and urethra and vagina in females. There is pus-like discharge from the urethra. Urine is passed with difficulty with burning sensation. Penicillin was used earlier to treat gonorrhea, but many gonorrheal organisms are now resistant to it. Now, genital warts. Genital warts are soft growth in tissue of the genitals. It is sexual transmitted infection caused by certain strains of human papilloma virus. Next is AIDS. AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, is the most dangerous immunodeficiency disease in humans. It is caused by the infection of a virus called HIV. This virus suppresses the immune mechanism of the body and makes the body susceptible to any disease. An AIDS patient dies due to other infection in the body because his body has no ability to fight against any infection. Medicines generally become ineffective on the body of an AIDS patient as the body immunity becomes very low. AIDS is spread in following ways: sexual contact with a person infected with AIDS, transfusion of AIDS infected blood, use of AIDS infected needles for injection, transfer of HIV during pregnancy, that is transfer of the virus from an infected mother to her fetus through placenta. Prevention of AIDS. AIDS is an incurable disease till date. Hence, it can be prevented by following certain precautions as mentioned below. Do not have sexual contact with an AIDS infected person. Use condoms during sexual intercourse to prevent AIDS from spreading. Before blood transfusion, check the blood for HIV infection or any other infection. Always use disposable syringe for injection. That is all about of sexual transmitted disease. And now this chapter is completed and we will discuss in next video another chapter, heredity. Okay, thank you.